I don't
somebody
tire.
send us message. I'm not calling me. The message then say, if the state government can construct market and to park, which is within the purview of the local government,
and open it.
Then and open it and call a whole president.
Vice
to come and open motor park. Then it is also their function to take care of other functions.
Excuse me, nobody said they shouldn't take care of. And you have to know the level of motor park. Let me do the work of the caretaker chairman.
Are you a national unit of road?
You have to know that there is motor park and there's motor park. Yes. And the kind of motor park we launched recently.
What is that supposed to be?
It's an international motor park.
Like Lagos to London.
Of international
standard. To London motor park.
All over Nigeria, you see that kind of motor park.
See, the kind of motor that should be there is this luxurious buses when they take carry footballers from abroad.
I beg to disagree.
Now the
that
problem
motor park was launched because of the standards that was in place in creating that.
Nobody said motor park.
Nothing now.
Motor no there.
No motor.
What you might do?
Now just park.
I passed there.
International market for. Look, anybody there?
Yes, sir. Some young bole sellers.
We have monkeys at the back of
some bole sellers.
And only SARS now they operate for that compound. Only SARS.
I say, in this our Nigeria context, our governance they be for eye service, not for functionality. Not for the reason why they are there.
I think so.
Anyway, no need for them to say we they criticize, but not true we they talk.
No, we have to say something that's affecting people.
It is. People are suffering and dying. They left their houses, high blood pressure. They keep people.
I was going to say something. I agree. Say state government supposed to interested in that. But I'm also concerned that local governments.
When they tell you say local government need
then we make noise enough for people to know. Say we they talk say as you they do your caretaker work here, you are not functioning. But they went ahead now. Unless we make that noise, it will be a reoccurrence every
No,
time.
they will say it is partisan. What we are partisan.
Unless the people.
Anytime you mention the work that people are not doing and you bring it out that you are not doing what you are supposed to do, some other people will say you are partisan.
That's why I'm
they
saying
forget anything concerns everybody.
People of that area where this flooding affect like this, where they don't run come off of their house. By the time they park, go local government chairman or caretaker chairman area, they like say, now we
You want me to flood them?
Don't see tear gas before.
You want me to flood them?
First of all, have you been involved in flooding? No. Where flooding pursue you?
No, sir.
So you don't understand. I'm talking from experience.
People who get flood issue now, they go they clap, they hail us. People who don't get flood issue now, they're going to say they are talking nonsense. They are talking rubbish.
Liver.
You need to experience flood. Go and ask Noah time.
Annie, you don't wake up. You wake up one morning.
They float.
You first of all you pray in the night. Oh God, thank you for today. We are about to sleep. Please, Father, protect and guide us. That we wake up tomorrow. In Jesus' name, we shall live. When I can't sleep. As soon as I sleep, around 1, you get up, go peace. Maybe around after network news, 9:30, 10, I sleep. You wake up, go peace, come back.
Rain for the fall.
Rain come the fall. You come happy. You come cover blanket well. Never come the light. Never come the light. You say, idiot. Anything that light make you not different. I want to take the light tomorrow.
The weather is cool.
The weather is cool. I don't even need your light. Now,
you cover.
Now some people they for this world they say as their AC they online they on cold the charger. Then they fit get up.
Go off.
Meanwhile cold they go they squeeze more and more. They follow.
If I tell you my experience,
and they come.
I'm not going to the people they look up.
They go they squeeze more and more. And they
don't get remote.
If the remote no dey near me.
As they squeeze, they will carry pillow, they will carry everything. Go off AC. You hold pillow, you go hold the next pillow. You then struggle. Then when light come go in that instance, you go say, oh Jesus, am I not your daughter again? Say God they hear prayer. You know, people when this happen to them, they believe say God. God do am. If it happen to them, they say can God believe. Now you know of AC. God can't help you, NEPA can't take light. Because NEPA will take light, make electric no kill people because of the water they don't see. And as you wake up in the morning by 6, go peace that morning peace. As you come down from your bed, put leg for ground, nice river. Shwa, you put leg.
You'll be wondering whether na baptism.
You go wonder whether na dream. Maybe you don't wake up true.
You have just been
you
baptized.
Come Kukuma look well, true. You don't wake up. Flood don't flow. Your pot they float. Your chair them don't soak. Your TV, it remains covered water reach the TV. wey dey on top small table wey take carry am. Annie, if you that instance, first of all, you no prepare for am. You know, dey your mind say that kind of thing go happen. Yes. Probably you no go do ATM yesterday. You know, hold cash, hold like 500 naira for pocket. With the hope say this morning we go do ATM. So you don't even get money to even pack your load. First of all, call motor. Now at the end of the whole matter, true, you must leave that house because soccer way down the float. Every day soccer way down return, shalama. You know that thing? People they thief money. Those is always small. They put scissors for middle of Sons of Solomon for Bible.
Key inside broom.
Come hold the scissors, the two edges of hands of scissors. Come hold her. If Naani 90
the rice.
This rice
from the cooking pot.
Return, Shalama. And you know that thing?
No.
Oh, this guy where you
I think those kind of things.
So if you think on the Bible come they turn to the left, and then you chop that rice. Even if true don't be you chop the rice.
What if breeze just blow?
That's what they happen.
Now the breeze of
That is why sometimes if you look at where they say God searches the heart. Maybe inside your mind, true, now you want to eat the rice, but unfortunately you did not do it physically.
You did it mentally.
You did it spiritually. Now everything will point you. So now you have to return and run away from that situation. And a high blood pressure is very close to you. In that situation, high blood pressure, they look you eye straight. You will never get them before. BP don't rise. Sickness don't start. Now the next problem we get now, where you they go to?
That is fear. The fear of what is going to happen next. As I see, for Bible, when flood begin happen, people begin go where Noah Ark dey.
They had a place to go to.
Now I suspect the present modern day Noah Ark na government house.
No, government house fight. The man will cross the gate. Your modern day Ark na your uncle house, your auntie house.
Na there be the modern day Ark.
You go wrong go.
Wow.
Some house when you wrong go, you dey sleep for parlor. You will get 2 bedroom. Now na mat for parlor, you dey sleep.
And the annoying thing is say the rent still dey count. The landlord no go say flood pursue you from now. Okay, from the day where the flood start, your rent stop.
Such a person. Wait now. Such a person wey do they call am also one be.
That is to
run of goat pikin. Run of goat pikin. That is literally, but what do you mean? Not wetin the talk mean. You don't run, that can run for your life. Now to survive. Okay. Which time when you won't come gather yourself, say they go march, go do protest for what do they call them? For local government.
If you dey
important,
if you dey important,
and you go first think of how to survive first.
They don't survive now.
They never survive.
They never come up for that.
They never normal mentality.
How long they want take to be normal? Not before me they go
find. And this happen to you, let me talk like this. So you cannot be normal until you return back to your house where you dey live. You can't be normal.
And because you want normal, want normal. You go find the authorities who go help make you normal.
How many of them go figure that at that point? What I'm saying.
That's where I agree with you.
Where they gather,
we don't know. So we supposed to do like
where
that.
They gather, and when gatheration can happen or gathering can happen, is when they have returned. They are together in their houses.
Yes.
They now have street meetings. They now have street discussions. When they finish
to take measures,
they can now put themselves together and march to either government house before it happens. No,
for now,
in the crisis, it's a crisis
for
situation.
Now, everybody is operating on OYO.
Or you're trying to survive your own.
Yes.
And people BP different from each other BP.
Yes.
Some BP is higher than some other.
Some people will be like tire number 365/165. So, see, make I tell you one thing, Annie. That matter where you been talking about AC, where person know the office, it happened to me.
Okay.
I been go do one show for Kaduna those days. For night when the show finish, they come carry me go my hotel room around 8. As we won't enter inside, now the boy will lead me as a protocol. Come tell me say whether I know say this room where I go sleep so now 80,000 naira per night. Now one big hotel, one Doba hotel like
80,000.
80,000 for night. Now say, hey,
Doba Kaduna.
Doba. Say for just now.
Doba hotel. I doubt.
Say just to sleep this 8 o'clock and wake up tomorrow morning where I go airport. Now it be 80,000 naira. I say no, make the boy change. I say make we go find another. I say no, say na government. Say government don't pay. I say I reason now. Say from 8 o'clock this night till tomorrow morning, say I go use my money finish. When I enter, I go on the
is your money or government?
You no consign me. You no consign me.
Government money.
As long as Yes, now me they keep there. I open the wash hand basin down. I open the shower, make water dey run. The toilet I go flush am. I go come back again, flush am. I know they do anything there. I on the whole light wey dey there. The TV I want to put am for the loudest volume. The thing they make noise. I no care. I enter the water heater. The AC.
Why this guy behave like
the AC? Now this
why
big
this guy
one.
they behave like teenager?
I no mind you. The AC na those big one wey dey stand too. I on and put am 16. So today the money was complete. Everything wey dey there, the food for everything I see for freezer, I chop am. The glass I turn them upside down.
You're a teenager.
After small time,
You don't live in Papa house.
cold come dey catch me. I hide under blanket. Say today I go complete the money. When it don dey reach around 1 o'clock. Boy, I wan kill myself o. Na that one time you go dey imagine say even demon wey wan come press you go just dey tell you brother shift. And you go say who be this? Say na me be demon I wan come press you. Cold day.
Cold no gree me.
My enter blanket.